Hey, you guys. All right, so I'm just going to show you super fast exactly what we need to be doing in ExactPath. All of those assignments that I've given you are no longer, and we will be able to just work in our learning path. And what that means is when you come to this page, Sean has been nice enough to let me borrow his account, so this is his. But when you get to this, there should not be a dot on there. You've been used to seeing a dot. You're not going to have those because I'm going to take that off, take all of the assignments off. You will not have to do the assignments anymore. From this point forward, when you sign in, go to reading or go to math. Okay, those are the places that they are counting that 2 hours. Okay, so any time that you spend on reading and or math, that's going to count towards your 2 hours. And remember, as you're in there, you've got to be actively working. So they only count actively working time. So if your computer is open and ExactPath is open, but you're not doing anything, that doesn't count as time, okay? So as you get in here, just super fast, if you click reading, this is your learning path, okay? So you're going to hit the play button and it's just going to take you with different activities, and you'll hit different places, or different activities, and it just kind of takes you, it follows your kids' growth, okay? So if it is showing that they need help on something, it's going to stop, not stop, but it's going to kind of circle back and kind of do that again in a different way. Won't let you move on, that kind of a thing. So basically, don't help them with this. This needs to be an independent activity for them. It'll totally follow where they are, all right? So once they would get to the end, they would get their trophy, and then another path would come up, okay? So you will never get to the end. There's always something to do in here, okay? I'm not going to do it because I would mess up Sean's stuff, but if I pressed play, that's where your activities start, and you just go from there, and the kids can do their time all by themselves. Okay, so math is the other one, same thing. Okay, so you would hit play, here's your path, you get to the end, it gives you another path, and it just progressively gets harder and harder, but it waits for them, if that makes sense. Do not go into language arts because that does not count towards your 2 hours, and that's what we're really focused on right now. Okay, all right, so big picture, don't do anything from my teacher, stay out of there. Just do math, just do reading. It's going to count towards your 2 hours, and you need to have active work time. That's the only thing that counts. Okay, all right, good luck.